Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. Well, it has not been long Samsung launched their Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is totally replacement of Galaxy Note series. Now Galaxy S23 Ultra is on the line, and in other words Samsung Galaxy S30 Ultra surfaced. So it's been 2 years since Xiaomi announced the Mi Mix Alpha. It was the first and as yet the only surround display smartphone that has been officially introduced. Despite this, several smartphone manufacturers have since filed a patent for a mobile phone with a flexible screen that is partially or completely wrapped around the housing. Another leading smartphone manufacturer that has already recorded various phone designs in which the back also consists of a display surface is Samsung. Previously, Let's Go Digital first reported on a Samsung phone with a double-sided display. A new patent shows that Samsung still sees a future in such devices. In July 2021, Samsung Electronics filed a patent with the USPTO for a method and apparatus for operating functions of electronic device having flexible display. The wraparound display smartphone from Samsung can be operated via the touchscreen and via pen input. Samsung has already shown with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that the company is able to make the S Pen compatible with a flexible screen. The Z Fold 3 is the very first foldable phone with S Pen support. The patented Samsung Galaxy phone has a large flexible display that covers the front, the sides, and the back of the phone. A relatively wide frame edge is visible at the top, which can accommodate the necessary sensors and cameras. The power button is placed at the top, since there is no space on the sides to place physical buttons. Thus, the volume keys have been replaced by virtual keys. The shoulder buttons are placed on the side, making them easily accessible when gaming in landscape mode. Icons and shortcuts are displayed on the right side. On the other side, status symbols such as the time, battery indicator, and network strength can be displayed. This can also be reversed through the settings, depending on whether the user is right-handed or left-handed. We assumed one front camera and 3 rear cameras, comparable to the current high-end models from Samsung. Because the phone has a display surface on both sides, both cameras can be used to take selfies as well as regular photo and video recordings. The display functions as a viewfinder to determine the correct composition. With a simple swipe, the user can move content from the front display to the rear screen, and vice versa. Depending on the application, content can also be displayed on both sides. One side shows the full photo gallery, while the other side can show one selected photo. Of course, this does not only apply to the photo gallery. The phone can detect how the user is holding the device, in order to adapt the interface accordingly. So, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.